Hi everyone. We are going to get you started on logging into IXL, which is another program similar to MobiMax that we're going to utilize to help you be better prepared and practice kind of at your own pace and do certain skills to get ready for our MCA tests in April. So what I want you to do is make sure that you've got your Chromebook or iPad, whatever we have today. Get that out. Get yourself logged in and get onto the internet, and then wait for the next instruction. And the video can be paused here to make sure everybody's ready to go. At this point, what I want you to do is go up into the address bar and simply type in the letters IXL. When you do, you'll see Google is so smart, it comes up with a whole bunch of options. So as long as you get to IXL.com, that's great. Okay? Don't worry about what the screen says. I am more interested in getting you logged in up here, okay, where it says username and password. You already have an account set up, and your account is going to be set up this way. Enter 20, just like we do with almost everything else. Type your first name and then your last name. But here's the deal on this one. Do not put a period in between your first and last name. So just say 20, first name, last name, then type @ the @ symbol, and then say Hastings, but nothing else. We don't have to put apps.org. So it's different from your other logins. So say 20, first, last, @Hastings. That's all you have to do for your username. When you get to your password, please enter in your 6-digit student ID number. Once you've got that, and you can pause the video again if need be, just to get everybody so that you're all logged in. Now I'm going to show you two screens side by side because some of you might be set up with a login where it's not showing grade levels, and some might be showing physical grade levels. And so depending on which scenario we're at, I need you to watch it this way. Okay, so if you've gotten logged in, make sure you click on Math. All right, now depending on which screen, notice here on the left I'm seeing grades, pre-kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and so on. If your screen looks like this when you hit Math with just letters, levels A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you'll watch what I demonstrate on this side over here on the right. If you have grade levels, you'll do what I ask you on the left. All right? Starting with the grade levels. First of all, click on Minnesota. Okay, there's a little thing that says Minnesota Standards here. Click on that. Click on 7th grade. So it'll say up here on top, skills available for Minnesota 7th grade math standards. Okay? Then it's going to be this big long list. So you're going to scroll down with me. And we have to get, everything's numbered like 7.1, 7.2. I want you to get into the 7.2s, I believe. This is algebra. And let me find exactly where I want you to start practicing. It might, actually, maybe I'll have you go back up to the 7.1. 7.1.2. Maybe it was 7.1.2.5. This was it. 7.1.2.5, using proportional reasoning. Start here on this first one about understanding ratios. Okay, you click on it, and it will start with some pretty easy, simplified things here that you're going to start plowing through, basically, to make sure we've got all these. If your screen looks like this one, where you just have the letters, then what you're going to do is go down to level I. Choose that one. When you get to I, what I want you to do is get to the part that says ratios and proportions. It's in these J's, and you click understanding ratios, and you're going to get a similar type of question. And go ahead and work through these, and I'll let the substitute know what amount of time I want you to rehearse, but go ahead and practice through here. As you work, what you're going to see on your screen over here is a SMART score, and for each one of these you have to attain a certain level of a SMART score before it lets you move on. So be accurate and as specific as you can, ask questions if you need to, and work through and get through as many of these as you can. It'll get to a point when you achieve the SMART score that then you get to do something about clicking on a prize and reveal your prize, and go ahead and do that, and then it'll ask you to practice more, and you simply go on to the next objective in the same list. Alrighty, good luck.